Hashini. Today we are at Ugra Narasimha Swami Temple in Hampi.
This is the largest statue in Hampi and it's a monolithic statue of 22 feet height. This temple was constructed by Arya Krishna Bhatta under the rule of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Narasimha means half man and half lion, and he is the one of 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. Actually, it used to be a temple with wooden rooftop, but Deccan Sultan demolished this statue after Talikot battle. After that, our archaeological department found these two legs were broken, so they have joined with this stone strap. Originally, this statue was having Lakshmi Devi on his lap as shown in the below picture. That's why we can see one extra hand here. The name Ugra Narasimha signifies anger, which we can observe from his eyes. Beside this Ugra Narasimha Swami temple, we have one more Shiva temple called Badavilinga temple. Here this water is coming from Kamalapur lake near Hampi and it flows to the Shivalinga temple. In Hampi, this is the largest Shivalinga temple, which is of 3 meter height, and it is situated inside a small stone chamber. The base of Shivalinga is submerged in water always. We can see the 3 eyes of Lord Shiva are drawn on this linga. As this temple has no ceiling, during the daytime sunlight enters into it and floods linga with light. Now we are at Sesivekula Ganesha temple. It's another magnificent monolithic sculpture. This statue of Lord Ganesha is around 8 feet tall and is kept in an open pavilion. This statue is located in the southern part of Hemakuta Hill. The stomach of this Ganesha resembles mustard seed. That's why it's named as Sesivekula. That means mustard seed in Kannada. An interesting thing here we found that his mother Parvati holding Ganesha from his backside. After Sesivekula Ganesha Darshan, now we are hiking towards the top of Hemakuta Hill. While hiking here, we found this beautiful carving of Lord Vishnu and Lakshmi Devi. Now we almost reached. From here we can see total Hampi view. This is the Badavilinga temple and Shivalinga temple which we have visited now. And this is the sunset point on the top of Hemakuta Hill. Due to lesser crowd, we felt very calm and peaceful. On top of Hemakuta Hill, here we found some small group of temples, so we casually had a look of each one of them. After completing our trek, we are about to return on our way back, and here we found this carving of Ram Lakshman, and it was very beautiful. Hope you liked the video, guys. Please like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Haha Hashini.